Welcome. Have you ever wondered how autonomous vehicles see the world, or how detailed 3D maps are created? The answer lies in a fascinating technology called LiDAR. LiDAR is a key technology for perceiving the environment, offering high-resolution spatial data crucial for navigation and precise mapping. LiDAR stands for Light Detection and Ranging. Essentially, it uses light in the form of pulsed lasers to measure distances to objects. LiDAR is indispensable across industries, powering autonomous vehicles, creating highly accurate topographic maps, and performing detailed surveying. Let's break down the fundamental process of how LiDAR achieves its amazing results. It starts with the LiDAR unit emitting countless rapid laser pulses toward the surrounding environment. These laser pulses travel outwards until they hit an object, whether it's a building, a tree, or another car, and then they reflect back toward the sensor. The key to measuring distance is precisely timing how long that journey takes, a concept known as time of flight. The LiDAR system measures the exact time interval between when the laser pulse is sent out and when the reflected pulse is received back at the sensor. Since the speed of light is constant, the system can calculate the precise distance to the object using a simple formula. Distance equals speed times time divided by 2. The output of all these individual distance measurements is what's called a point cloud. A LiDAR sensor emits millions of laser pulses per second, scanning its surroundings rapidly and gathering an immense amount of spatial data points. Each collected point carries precise spatial coordinates, and when millions of these points are put together, they form a highly accurate, detailed three-dimensional map of the environment. A complete LiDAR system consists of 3 main components working in harmony. First, we have the laser source, typically a semiconductor laser diode, responsible for generating those rapid light pulses. Second, the scanner or mirror mechanism steers the laser beams across the field of view, ensuring wide coverage and high-resolution scanning. Finally, the photodetector sensor detects the incoming reflected light pulses and measures the time they took to return. LiDAR is truly a game-changer in how we perceive and interact with our physical environment digitally. Its ability to create highly accurate 3D spatial representations makes it vital for safe autonomous driving and precision mapping projects worldwide. As technology advances, LiDAR systems are becoming smaller, cheaper, and more powerful, promising even more exciting applications in the near future.